Most people are getting absolutely robbed, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. As someone who's been running an AI agency for years and have made tens of thousands of dollars from said agency, the landscape has changed. Software has changed completely. And if you're anything like me, you've probably used or probably still use something like GoHighLevel, paying $500+ a month for access to their software. Probably familiar with Slack. You probably pay, a good amount every single month. Same with ClickUp or Trello, similar project management systems. And even something like WordPress, the OG, charging you at least $40 a month to host your website that you probably made on Bolt or Lovable, one of these agentic coding website application prototyping platforms. And then you probably use something like Canva or Photoshop for image creation and manipulation. And then you tie everything together with something like NAN for automation. Until a few months ago, this is what I was using. Honestly, I've paid GoHighLevel tens of thousands of dollars and have put countless hours into utilizing these tools and connecting them all together for not only myself, but also for all of my clients as well. But things have changed for the better, because not only do you not need all of this nonsense right here, connecting all of these to your business, your clients' businesses, figuring out the API access, going through the documentation, going through that nightmare isn't necessary anymore. So not only do you not have to pay tens of thousands of dollars every single month for all the software, but I don't know about you, but if you've ever had to try to get your data from some company similar to HighLevel, whether that's Salesforce or even Monday or HubSpot, it is an absolute nightmare and damn near impossible to do so. You do not own your data, which, if you know me, you know that data is what I believe to be arguably one of the most valuable resources, because data is information and information is equivalent to your time, right? And I'll get more in depth on that in the next video. But what I am saying is you don't need to, one, pay a bunch of money, two, pay a bunch of time to get everything like this configured and connected, and three, you don't need to give these companies your data, because if you end up leaving, which you ideally should as you grow into a bigger and more established digital entity or business, you can't get your data. They own your data. All right. Now, hopefully this video doesn't get me assassinated, but I'm going to show you the new way of doing things. And you only need three things realistically to make this happen. And the best part is, there are so many best parts, but the best part is it's free. You don't need to spend any money to do this, but there's a caveat. With the new way, you can use something like Supabase for your data, Cloudflare for your hosting, and Claude Code for everything else: building, generating, automating. It's all there. This is the tool stack that I use to run my agency and all of my clients' businesses, utilizing something that I've called the CentralMind framework, which is a means of getting all of the data to communicate with each other and then plugging AI infrastructure into said data. So Supabase is free. Cloudflare is free. Claude, not free, $20 to $100 to $200 a month, depending on your usage. So by and large, you can get this started. You can start a business, a company for $20. All right. So let that sink in. You don't need any of this. You don't need any of this. Nothing. Literally none of this. Hopefully I pissed some of you off in the comments, because there are a ton of GoHighLevel glazers out there. I was a former high-level glazer. It's unnecessary. Yeah, you can use it as a database, blah, blah, blah. Copium. You don't own anything. You don't own your data. Best of luck to you. These are the three horsemen of sovereign systems, the three core fundamentals. Okay. And it goes without saying that GitHub is another free thing that you need. But if you have Claude Code already configured, then you don't need to worry about that, because you should already have that set up. But anyways, some optional things like Google Workspace, it's hard to replace because their ecosystem is so established and so interconnected with each other. It's a valuable system, and it's only $7 a month for the very basic entry-level tier. This I still use, so this is an honorable mention. And another honorable mention would be something like the Eternium API, especially if you don't want to be confined to Claude Code's usage and guardrails. If you need something that's a little bit more loose and you want access to all the models, video, image, text, even voice, you can go with something like this. And this can cost you like $5 to but however much you use it, right? $5, $0, $200, depends on what you use it for, but you can get started for free. Dude, and the craziest part is that if you compare this to something like a junior developer getting paid anywhere from $4,000 to about $6,000 a month in the US at least, you don't need to pay that money, because not only are you going to pay significantly more, but if you're in a similar boat where I literally had to fire my friends because they were incompetent and inefficient, when you can literally pay $100 a month, $136 a month in this instance, to get everything streamlined and under your control. And you can configure it in a way to where you just open up your phone, you open up your web browser, whatever, go to your dashboard, and you can see everything. You can see your entire business. You don't need to report to people in Slack. You don't need to check all of these different automations. It's all here. You own your own data. You minimize subscriptions. You automate everything in one place, and you just recreate the tools that you need all in one place. If you need an image generation, just set up an image generation call to the Eternium API. Boom, you have image generation. You need a tool like Canva. Okay, cool. Just download the image for it. You need an automated email system. Okay, just set up an API called a resend for cheaper than what GoHighLevel is charging you. Or if you need SMS, just go to Twilio. Cut out the middleman. So I challenge you to ask yourself, do you really own your data? Can you export your data? If a company goes under, where's your data? If you evolve, if you blossom into a beautiful butterfly as a business and you want your own infrastructure, can you extract that data from that platform? Most cases, no, you can't. It's their data. Read the terms and conditions. Does it have an API? Okay, if you can't extract your data, can you at least connect your system to it? In this instance, high level, yes, you can, which is why a lot of people use it as a database, which to each their own. Another question is there a free tier? Are you paying this company $5, $50, $100, $500 a month when realistically you only use it for one thing that is probably included in a free tier? Another question is, does it replace an existing tool? If you're looking at something, if you use something, how easy is it to replace? If it's an 8N, for example, you can literally just export all your workflows, the JSON files, just give them the Claude Code and just be like, hey, create cron jobs for all of these. It's literally that simple. It saves you $20 to just do that. No more N. Number 5 is, will I use it this week? I know a few people who spend all their money on AI tools and they don't even use them. They just want them because I don't know why. So trim the fat. Do you use it or do you not? And if you do use it, does it have an equivalent amount of time saved for the value that you're getting from it versus the money that you're paying? If you're already convinced and you want everything, just go to the link down below. And I mean, there's probably a lot of links down there, but you can download a PDF that will go through everything. You can just hand it over to your Claude Code instance or whatever agentic AI you're using for your business. Just give it to that. It'll give you the rundown, help you bridge any gaps that you're currently facing, and then you'll be golden. If you don't want to continue to hear me yap. Like I said, Claude Code, $20 to $100+ a month. And I've broken these all down into categories. So category 1 is just development. So obviously Claude Code is the bee's knees as of recording this. And then you can oversee the development with something like VS Code or Google Anti-Gravity. They all do the same thing. They're all forks of one another. And then if you do have Claude Code, most likely you have Git with GitHub, like all configured, so you can manage your code in the cloud. And then also Node.js, which if you already have Claude Code configured, you most likely already have this configured. All good. The second category you need to look at is your infrastructure. Where is your data actually being stored? And do you have access to that data? So if you use something like Supabase, which I highly recommend, especially if you're in the agentic space, it's free up until about 500 megabytes. And then you have to pay like a few dollars a month, but that is a lot of data for just code, right? For just strings. I mean, if you're going to be storing images and videos, you're gonna have to upgrade. But even then, I would use something like Cloudflare R2, which brings me to the Cloudflare ecosystem, Cloudflare Pages. Free hosting. You don't need to pay any company to host your web pages. Hopefully this doesn't get me assassinated. Like I said, you don't need to pay HighLevel. You don't need to pay GoDaddy. You don't need to pay Namecheap. You don't need to pay any of these other companies. Just get Claude Code, sign up to Cloudflare, and tell Cloudflare you want to post a website to their platform. It'll handle the rest, I promise. And within the Cloudflare ecosystem, you also get something called Cloudflare Workers, which I'm not going to cover just now, in addition to GitHub Actions. So all of these play into the infrastructure. They all communicate, they're all connected, and it's free to start. That's the big thing. You don't need to spend any money to start your company. And this is enterprise grade. This is what all the big billion-dollar conglomerates are doing to some degree, whether it's Cloudflare and Supabase, or if it's MongoDB and AWS, or if it's Firebase, same sides of the same coin. You can build enterprise level infrastructure without spending much money at all. The tech is here. You just need the knowledge. So you're welcome. And so now that you have the infrastructure and everything configured, how do you actually run AI in it? Which brings me to AI and APIs. So you could go to OpenAI, you can get an API key from them and to access their Codex model or their Chat GPT-5 model. And then you can go to Gemini to grab their API key. So you have access to Nano Banana and Gemini 3.1 and Google VO3. Then you can go to Anthropic to get their API token. You see the point I'm trying to make. Or you can go with something like Eternium API, get one API token, get access to all the models you need, all built with agents in mind. So you connect that one API token and you have all the AI you need. Just pay as you go. Very simple. And the best part, you can get started for free. And the other stuff I use, I actually forgot to mention, I only use currently the $9 a month plan from school. Because school is important, community is important. As we get all these different AI technologies, there's not going to be much use for humans in the internet. That's my view on everything. So humanness, humanity is going to be more in person. We're going to have so much free time. Those of us who adapt and implement these technologies, right? We're going to have so much free time that we're not going to need to be on the internet. That's another thought for another video, which I can go deeper into. But community is important. And to get started, you only need $9. You don't need $99. They changed it. So $9 a month will get you a community. And then you can funnel people into that community utilizing content like this, combined with something that I've created called the content engine, which you can repurpose content like this into multiple different mediums. I have a video on that coming soon, or if you're watching this in the future, it'll probably be somewhere around here. And then I also use ManyChat for Instagram because it's just a perfect way to turn your Instagram into a ecosystem of digital real estate. Comment this, get an automatic DM that sends the traffic to a specific point. That's a no-brainer and it's free to start. Definitely utilize that if you want an advantage. And then I have Canva here because despite them being one of the companies on my naughty list, they are free to start. Okay, but I don't love Canva. You can build a Canva replicate for pretty easily with Claude Code using something called Pillow, which I've done and I'll showcase in another video in the future here very soon. And then operations. So here we have the CentureMind system. Mine is called Sovereign, but it literally has all of the data for all my companies, all my products, all my clients, their products, everything on my machine right here that I can access, talk to, orchestrate tasks, delegate tasks to. It's all here. Like this right here is the future. If you have made it to this point in the video, this is all you need right here. Okay, I'm going a little crazy, but this is why your data is important, because from your data you can build anything. You have everything there, all the information there, so you can just plug in one thing and it has everything it needs with some direction from you. Like this is the most important thing right here, your data. But the CentureMind system is your data, but it communicates. It tells the data and the AI agent that goes through the data what the data is, why it's important, and what data pairs well with it. So in addition to this, having something like the Google Workspace to have access to the entire ecosystem that is Google is worth the $7. And then, like I said, Cloudflare DNS for hosting, DDoS protection, SSL certificates, whatever, it's free. Cloudflare is legendary. So, bro, I literally went from spending, I don't even want to know how much on software, well over like $2,000 or $3,000 every single month, to I'm spending pennies relatively. Just remember, I'm not even using this $99 nonsense here. This is the future. If anyone tells you otherwise, they're either dumb, coping, or misinformed, which makes them dumb by definition. And you own your infrastructure and your data. Yeah, there are pros and cons to managing it, but if you have an agent to do it for you, it's a no-brainer, brother. So yes, the core three, the three horsemen of sovereignty. Claude Code or whatever agentic coding platform is top tier at the time. Use that, pair it with your data that you own in the cloud that's accessible to you and also on your machine too. You want to have, interconnectivity there. Your own data, your own means of storing your data, and a platform to ship it and share it and manage it with the planet, all under $25 a month. So my friend, again, if you want all the resources, they're going to be down below. And then make sure you like, follow, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. If this was helpful for you, let me know. If it wasn't helpful, you're lying. So my friends, I digress. I appreciate you watching this far. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, peace.